Welcome to the tutorial video for the Coupon Tools Directory Builder. A mobile coupon directory is a convenient source for consumers to find local deals and information. It's a way to group multiple coupons in one single overview. It allows consumers to find coupons by category or GPS location. As an option, you can enable user profile registration. Our directory integrates effortlessly into websites, Facebook pages, and mobile apps. To begin, click Create Directory to add a new directory. In the dialog box that appears, enter a name, then click Proceed. A new directory will open. At the left, you'll find different tabs for building and editing your directory. We will work our way down here in this video. You'll see the directory and the changes you make on the right. You can also change between desktop and mobile previews to see how they look in both formats. When opening a new directory, you'll start in the Settings menu. Here you can change the general settings like name and language, but also the advanced settings like request user geolocation permission and custom JavaScript. Under Layout, you can change the font and background of the directory. You can choose a solid color as a background, but can also select or upload an image. At the header menu, you can choose to show or hide the header at the top of your directory. You can add an information button, location button, and search field in the top right corner. Notice how they appear and disappear when altering the slider. Under Layout, you can upload your logo and change the color of the header and the icons. At the footer menu, you can choose to show or hide the footer at the bottom of your directory. Under Settings, you can change the information that needs to be shown in the footer. For example, you can add the terms and conditions, the privacy policy, and the description. This is the same description as the one in the header. Under Contact and Socials, you can add your contact info and social media URLs. When you add the info, the symbol will appear in the footer. When you delete the info, the symbol will disappear. If you have a mobile app, you can also show the download button in your directory by supplying the appropriate URL under App Download. Under Layout, you can choose between two different styles for the footer and change the colors of the background, the text, and icons. Under Categories, you can open the Content Manager by clicking the blue button or the green plus sign on the right. Here you can add categories in your directory by clicking the green button Add Category and giving it a name, or the plus sign next to the category to make a subcategory. You can add as many subcategories as you want. Under Settings, you can choose which filter you want to enable. Notice how they appear and disappear when altering the sliders. Finally, under Layout, you can change the font size and color of the different category filter buttons. Next up is Cards. Here you can add campaigns to your directory, again with the Content Manager under Campaigns or the green plus sign on the right. This time you don't click Add Category but the green button Add Campaign. You can search for a coupon or voucher or select them from the list. Then click Proceed to add them to your directory. In the Content Manager, you can drag and drop the campaigns to the categories on the left. Under Settings, you can choose the order in which the coupons need to be shown, how to open them, and which extra information needs to be visible. Under Layout, you can change the look and color of the campaign cards and the buttons. In the Authentication menu, you can enable the option to require authentication before users can use your directory. You can enable the requirement to sign in before they can see the coupons or only when they want to open a coupon. If you want to send users an automatic welcome email after registration, don't forget to set up an email. If you wish to receive a notification when someone registers, fill in your own email address here. Under Fields, you can select which information users need to fill in at registration. Email is not an option to disable. This will always be a required field when users want to sign up. You can enable all the other fields like name, phone number or city and select which ones are required. In the Payments menu, you can enable the option to require payment before users can use your directory or a specific category. This can be done by Stripe or promo codes. You can choose a one-time or recurring payment weekly, monthly or yearly. Here you can also set up an automatic email that will be sent when users make a payment. If you want to receive a notification when someone makes a payment, fill in your own email address here. When you complete building your directory, you can proceed to the Launch menu. You can generate a QR code to scan or a URL to click, leading people to your directory. Other options are to share it on social media or send an email or SMS. You can add the directory to your website by copying the iframe integration code into your site code. When your directory is launched, you can monitor the registered users, payment, and campaigns in the Statistics menu. Thank you for watching this tutorial about the Coupon directory features.
www.coupontools.com